Okay, hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my first trim video, guys. Like, I've not really had any video on my channel where I trimmed my hair before, so today is going to be the first time I'm going to be having such a video on my channel. So you're welcome to all of my new subscribers, and to my returning subscribers. You guys are most welcome, guys. I love you so much, and I want to celebrate. Hey, I've reached 100 subscribers. In fact, I've passed 100 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys who keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So let's get to how to trim our hair. You'll be needing a comb, a pair of scissors, depending on the type you have. If you have a shear scissors, good for you. Well, I haven't been able to get the shear scissors. Okay, and yeah, basically this is what you'll be needing. But because my hair is quite dried, I'm going to be using water as well. So I'm just going to go ahead to unravel this twist. Now for this side, I have trimmed the hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue on this side of my hair. So I'm just going to do this one very gently so you can get to see what my hair looks like and what I'm trimming off, guys. After like detangling my hair a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead to like pass a comb through from starting from the ends, and I'll just work my way like that through to the top, to the roots of my hair. And here we are, guys. So if you look very closely to the ends of this hair, they're not even, and you find some looking really splitted already, like coiled though, but kind of, I don't know if you can get what I'm saying. Yeah, it's not really clear, but I really wished if it was clear enough for you to see what I was showing you. So I'm just going to go ahead to trim it off at that point and kind of make the hairs even at this point. I'm not just going about making my hair even alone. Okay, I was also trying to like get my hair to the point where they are all full. Yeah, so you can, if you can see very well at this point, they're all full, no more thin ends. Too bad I couldn't show you guys, but okay, I'm just going to go ahead to wear this and twist after applying my butter. Now to the ends of my hair, I'm just going to give more attention, and also to the roots, and I'm going to go ahead to wear this in a twist. So I noticed starting a two-stranded twist, just two strands from the bottom without braiding first, doesn't really work well for me. So I'm just going to go ahead to braid up first and then put it in a twist. And so guys, I'm just going to go ahead to do the other part of my hair and come back to show you what it looks like. So I've shown you exactly how I go about trimming my natural hair when it's necessary. Okay guys, yeah, I'm all done with the trimming of my hair. At this point, I do not have any more split ends and I do not have any more knots in my hair right now. My hair is completely free. And it feels really good. I don't know, it kind of feels lighter. Now I'm going to expect my hair to grow well and healthy for the next 5 to 4 months. Now not all hair types can allow you grow your hair for this long period of time without going for a trim. So if you have very kinky hair and very coarse hair, those very hard kind of hair, please ensure you trim at least, at most, like the longest you can carry your hair without a trim, 3 months. Ensure you get a trim so you don't encounter breakage when trying to detangle and when trying to get your hair to look nice again. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do well to always trim your hair regularly so you can grow healthy hair and you grow very nice textured hair. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Love you. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do also subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Tell me what you think about trimming. Are you those type of people who usually get scared of trimming? Well, I was once those type of people who get very scared of trimming. I really did not like trimming before now, but right now I've gotten a little bit more enlightened about trimming and I've gotten enlightened about the benefits of trimming your hair. So right now I get to trim my hair regularly just to grow healthy hair. So see you in my next video guys. Bye.